Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Zoom break room tutorial. So today I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial on the Zoom break room. So let's start. Start yourself a new meeting right here. So after we are starting our new meeting right here, you'll be able to see a break room option right here. If not, you didn't see a break room option here, just click on more and you will see it right above here. If it's not there, click on apps right here. After clicking on the apps, just wait for a bit, then click on adults, then type in break room. There you go. Just type in breakout. Yeah, there we go. Breakouts. So right here, get this. Right here, just click on get. Left click right there. But right now we have a breakout room, so we are not gonna download that app. So right here on the breakout room, once we click on that, we can assign automatically, and we have different rooms if you want to. So I'm gonna show you to assign automatically what it does. So once we create on it, once the people are in the room, there's many people here. We can click on open all rooms, and once it is done, all participants have been invited to join break room, which means it will be randomized and not as the host chooses who are the people in those room. And next step is right here. We have the right. I'm gonna show you the other options. There you go. Let's close this up. There you go. Then we have the um, recreate. Maybe just click on recreate right there. So click on recreate. We have the assign manually. So what this does when we recreate right here, we assign them. So when the when you are there's people right here, you're gonna assign them to which room they are. So you can be the one who puts them, the participants, and to the room. And to add more rooms, just click on here, add more room, more room. There we go. And you can also rename each room. Let's say room one to room happy, and then room two is for room sad. There you go, room sad, and there you go. And to delete a room, let's like what I did earlier. Just click on delete right there, as you can see, and delete and delete. And when you are ready to put them in the rooms, just keep open all room, and all participants have been invited to join breakout room. There you go. And right here we have the options. The options here allow participants to choose rooms. So which does this do? The participants are allowed to choose room whether they're be in the room happy or room sad. They're allowed to choose their rooms once you allow this. So allow participants to return to the main session at any time, which is you allow them to leave the room if ever you want. There you go. As you can see, your break rooms close automatically after 30 minutes. So every third so right now we haven't set this timer, so those breakout rooms don't have a timer limit because it's not checked. So yeah, so we're gonna close the rooms, and then once we close this on every 30 minutes, this is gonna off, but we're just gonna make it um, 1 minute. Then we're gonna set it. There you go, breakout room. Then boom, there we go. So every 1 minute, the rooms will just be disabled, and there we go. They'll be scattered, and they're going to come back to the main room. As you can see in progress, we have 45 seconds, 44, 43. It's just counting down until we hit the 1 minute mark. And now we're just gonna join here in the room happy. So right now, once we are in the room happy, joining the room. So here at the room happy. So right here we can now talk with our friends, blah with our friend, blah 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 with friends. Now how to leave the room? To leave the room, click on the bottom right corner and click on leave breakout room. Don't click leave meeting. Don't click end for all. If you're the host, you'll be able to see end for all. Don't click leave meeting. If you leave meeting, you will leave the meeting on your Zoom. But if you click on a leave breakout room, you will leave the breakout room, which is room happy. But now the timer's over. Then there we go. There we go. All breakout room will close in 1 minute. So we have 1 minute, and all the breakout room will close. So click on leave breakout room. So there you go, guys. Now we're turning to the main session. So there you go, guys. That's the short tutorial on the breakout room. And if you have any more questions about the Zoom breakout room, just type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.